So hi all, welcome to this quick and fast installation tutorial. This tutorial will be about 5 minutes, maybe 10, instead of the 45 minutes extended installation tutorial. So let's just dive into it. What you want to do, the quickest way to install the actual, let's just see here. The Screensaver profile with 180 animated GIF files, like so. There's like 6 pages. Well, actually there's 7 because I added 2 yesterday in the tutorial, which I will remove in a moment. But there are 6 pages included. As you can see, these are my repositories. What you want to do, the quickest way to install it is download the profile only, either from the MEDIAFIRE, which is pretty slow to download, but it has the most comprehensive set of resources. It's all split up into different sections, like screensavers, only the buttons, and animations. And then of course there's a complete pack with everything included. The same you'll find at the Google Drive mirrors, except for all the individual buttons and stuff like that. So there's the profile only, the complete pack, the screensaver pack, and the resources DIY creation pack. Well, basically these are 2 of the same mirrors on 2 different accounts. So what you want to do is download the profile only. Once you've got that downloaded, you want to go into my computer, like so. This is basically where I compiled everything. So here's the profile download. It basically contains 2 files, 1 text file and the actual Elgato Streamdeck XL profile. Which is about 560 MB. So first thing you want to do is actually go into your computer and open up the Elgato Streamdeck folder, which sits under Windows C users, well, your name, app data, roaming, Elgato. So you'll go to roaming, just click on the Elgato, press copy, don't cut it, just copy it, and paste it somewhere, like for example here. Might take a while. This is just in case of a backup, in case you want to revert, want to undo the installation. So we'll let this run in the background. You know the step by now. Second step you want to do is install the icon pack, which is needed for the home button here. There's basically one third-party icon I use. The arrows I sourced myself. Like the back and forth arrows, they're both included. But for the home icon you'll need an icon pack, which is free to download from the Elgato marketplace. I included a text file. The icon pack is called Animated GIF Pack, and below there's a link to the icon pack. So let's visit that link. And you see the animated GIF pack, and that's where the home button icon resides. So next we'll want to dive into the Streamdeck software. Basically go home. This is my main profile. As you can see, I've got a lot of profiles here. And then you want to head over to, let's just put on my magnifying glass here real quick. Should be turned on now. there we go. Now it's turned on. So what you want to do is basically go over to the edit profile section. There you'll see all your, well, of course there's the general devices where you can set up a screensaver, which are also all included, all 180. The next step you want to do is perhaps back up your current session. I'm not going to do that because I altered some settings and my last backup was okay. But you could create a backup like so in your backup folder. As you can see, I already have 2 backups, so I'm not going to back it up again. My backups are getting huge, also because of this profile, which is about 560 MB. Once you backed up your profile, you can basically import a profile, and then we'll head over to our downloads folder where we downloaded the profile, and then you'll just import the GIF Screensaver profile, and it should probably be listed somewhere here, and you can of course drag them, rearrange them however you like, so that's not a problem. Next step is you'll want to find an empty button. I currently have all my buttons full, as you can see. This one seems empty, but as you can see on the webcam feed here, it's actually a YouTube profile with all sorts of channels. It's basically called the YouTube ticker, so we can't use that. So I'm going to use the app profile here. What you want to do then is create a switch profile button. Yeah, you can place it anywhere you like. Let's just place it right there, and then you can select the device, current. Well, I also got Streamdeck mobile, but that's beside the point. And then you want to navigate to your GIF Screensavers profile here. You can select the thumbnail. This is one I did for a tutorial yesterday. So let's just use that for the moment now. And you will actually see the GIF playing back. Perhaps we can use a better profile. So let's just navigate to this one is pretty cool, I think, so let's just use that. Yeah, now you can actually see that playing back whenever I switch to Droid plus screen. Oh, then my screen is in the way, so let's just move my screen here. Go to the apps folder. There you can see the actual animation being played, and it'll open the animated profile. So be sure to have installed the icon pack first. It's basically just a matter of open in Streamdeck. The icon is from the icon library, animated GIF pack, and it's basically this icon here. In case you haven't installed it, you might get an error message like icon missing or something like that. Perhaps it is already included in the profile, I don't know how Streamdeck handles icon packs that are included in different profiles. So better be safe than sorry and just install this animated GIF pack icon from the link in the profile folder you downloaded. Install that first. No need to worry about mapping this then. It'll probably be mapped automatically. Like I said, the arrows are already included. page 7 I did yesterday for a tutorial, basically for the DIY creation pack. So I'm going to delete that. Oh, now my next button is also gone. So let's just copy that and paste it there, and we should get back to the first page. So yeah, that's basically all there is to it, to installing the animated icon pack. As you can see, whenever I click an icon here, perhaps we could even set the droid cam to full screen for a moment here. And there we go. You got an animation playing full screen, and there's like 180 of them. So there's lots of choice. There's lots of cool like animations, and they all seamlessly loop endlessly. So yeah, that's the basic quick tutorial here I want to share. Well, it's 11 minutes, but at least it's shorter than the full tutorial, which took about 45 minutes, and there was a lot of sidetracking. So this is basically straight to the point on how to map that. What I'm going to do now is remove that profile because I want to keep my Stream Deck clean. I've already mapped it here. This is my animated GIF profile. We'll map it at the first page at some point. But I'm running out of real estate here. Perhaps I can group these copy paste buttons or something like that. Yeah, so that's all there is to it. Enjoy the installation. Again, if you want to oh, that's the full screen one. So be sure to download the animated GIF pack. You can download the complete pack. There's also the screensavers and the DIY creation pack, on which there's also a tutorial. It's a bit long of a tutorial, but it'll teach you how to create and automate your own GIFs for the future. So once you've set up your automation, it'll basically be a matter of minutes to create your own full screen animations for the Streamdeck XL. Yeah, so this is basically the most complete mirror, also the slowest mirror, I have to say. Again, if you want to support me, you can do that by registering through my referral link. Takes about 2 minutes. Like register for MEDIAFIRE, you get your own MEDIAFIRE account with 10 gigabytes of storage. I now have 35, but this project already is taking up 20 gigabytes. So in case you do want to support future projects of mine, like a wallpaper pack I'm working on, or a profile I should say, with lots of pages and categories, you should definitely do that. And only costs you 2 minutes. You also gain 10 gigabytes of online hosting. And that's a humidifier running out of water. That beeping. So sorry about that. Sorry about the background noise. I have a few fans running. But that's a free way and a good way to support me. You can also, of course, donate to my PayPal, treat me to a cup of coffee or something like that. The fastest way to download is, of course, Google Drive. In case you only want the profile, it's only 530 MB it says here, but it's actually 560 or 70 MB, but it's compressed, so yeah. And then there's of course the screensavers also, and the video tutorials. There's a DIY creation pack tutorial, an installation tutorial. This installation tutorial is actually like 45 minutes, 50 minutes or something like that. Then there's a video demonstration of all the animated GIFs. Pretty cool to watch as well. I'll probably post that on my YouTube. But I'm going to wrap this up, keep this short. We're already at 15 minutes, so yeah. I'm going to wrap this up. This is my quick tutorial, as quick as I could make it. I hope you followed along. Otherwise, perhaps watch the longer installation tutorial. But yeah, try to make it giving you the guys as many options as possible, like with a quick tutorial and a longer tutorial. So yeah, that's about it. I'm going to make the final announcement and release video now for YouTube. Then I'll have to make one for TikTok as well. Then I have to create all the tags and documents for the release. So yeah, I'll be up and busy for most of the evening, night. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this profile. If you like, support my projects. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the profile and have a great evening, morning, night, afternoon, whenever you're watching this. Yeah, enjoy the profile. Goodbye guys, take care, cheers.